Hi guys, today we're going to replace the OEM bulb in the dome light. It's a rear dome light in 2016 Scion TC. Right now we have this yellow OEM, and we already replaced the dome light bulb in the front. This is how it looks. This one has two bulbs. I will leave the link for this video as well if you're interested. But for the rear one, I'll show you how to remove the cover first. You will see there are two small slots on two sides here by the switch, on the switch side. So all you have to do is insert something small. If you have a screwdriver, that will be perfect. And carefully pry it open like this, and the cover will come out. This is how it looks. We have two small ones on this side and bigger ones on the other side. So it's better to start prying it open on this side where you have these two slots. We'll be using the LED bulb from Auxito. I'll show you guys how it looks. We have 6 LED elements in the front, and we have the heatsink in the back. I will remove the original bulb. I will insert the new one. Like this. And it works. I will reinstall the cover. So this side goes in first. And then you close the other end. Let's take a look. Looks significantly better. And this is our new LED. Very bright and shiny. And as I said, the front one was replaced as well previously. I will leave the link for this video in the description. And as for the rear one, I will leave the link for the light bulb in case if you guys are interested. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.